Off to a very quick start. Both teams trying to grab as many of those green cubes as they can. Knocking off these red cubes off the post while they do it. Looks like the chillers are getting a lot of greens and getting ready to get lined up. Meanwhile, stay-at-homies focusing on greens and purples, putting the purples at their top level and the greens at the bottom. As we get to 35 seconds in the match, Dragon now switch. Stay-at-homies getting a ton of green cubes. The chillers getting ready to get lined up and score a lot of greens with 25 seconds left. Stay-at-homies lining up, getting 4 purples into their goal. The chillers dispensing a ton of greens. Stay-at-homies, a ton of green cubes as both teams go for the partial park. With 7, 6, 5, 4.
Stop time, they won. Congratulations.